Today, we're talking about something that's affecting millions of people every day: ransomware. Hackers are getting smarter, and their attacks are more dangerous than ever. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fight back. So, what exactly is ransomware? Imagine waking up one day, opening your computer, and finding that all your files, photos, work documents, even personal messages are locked. A hacker is demanding you pay them money to get your files back. That's ransomware, and it's happening every 11 seconds worldwide. In 2025, ransomware has become more targeted, and hackers are using smarter ways to trick us. But here's the good news: you can stop them. Let's go step by step. Most ransomware attacks start with a phishing email, an email that looks legit but is actually fake. One click on the wrong link, and bam! Hackers are inside your system. It's not just emails. Hackers can also target unsecured Wi-Fi networks or outdated software with weak security. Okay, now it's time for the good stuff: how you can protect yourself. These 5 tips are easy to follow and can save you from becoming the next victim. Keep your software updated. Hackers love old, outdated software. Set your devices to auto-update so you always have the latest security patches. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Passwords like 12345 are practically an invitation for hackers. Use a password and enable MFA wherever you can. Avoid suspicious links. If an email or message looks weird, don't click on any links or attachments. When in doubt, double-check with the sender. Back up your data regularly. Save your important files on an external drive or cloud storage that's not connected to the internet. If ransomware strikes, you'll still have your data. Install antivirus software and use a VPN. Good antivirus software can catch ransomware before it locks your files. A VPN adds an extra layer of security, especially when using public Wi-Fi. For those of you who want to level up your security, check out tools like Extended Detection and Response, also known as XDR. It combines multiple layers of protection to stop attacks before they happen. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to protect yourself from ransomware in 2025. Remember, hackers are getting smarter, but you can be smarter too. Share this video with your friends and family so we can all stay safe together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What do you do to stay safe online? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.